Hi, welcome back. Today we are gonna do an unboxing video of a Instant Boba pack. We have been seeing a lot of these boba kits appearing in local Asian supermarkets. So I've been very curious because usually boba takes about 30 minutes to 40 minutes to make. So let's see how these work and taste. So this is a close-up of the packaging. You see it's an Instant Boba pack. Takes only 60 seconds to microwave and you will get your fun, chewy, delicious Instant Boba milk tea. These are frozen, so you will find them in the frozen aisle. They do come in a couple flavors, so we did get the Hong Cha, which is black tea flavor. Here are some simple instructions on the bottom. So it's heat for 60 seconds in the microwave. You gotta get some milk. So add milk, add ice cube, and you get your boba milk drink. That's simple. So boba or tapioca did originate from Taiwan, and you can see they do have a quick description. And usually it does, like I mentioned, takes about 30 to 40 minutes to cook chewy boba. For this one, very interesting. Basically like instant ramen, you have instant boba in just 60 seconds. Here's an instruction. We're gonna follow the microwave oven. This is how they advertise it. So 60 seconds to 2 minutes, and then you add 100 to 150 cc of milk, and then 80 grams of ice, and then it will be ready. Looking at the ingredients, we do see there's black tea flavor and black tea powder. So it's not just a boba milk drink, but it's a milk tea drink. Alright, so we're gonna open this to see what's inside. There should be 4 of them, 4 packs. Okay, we'll start here. It says open here. And here it is. 4 packs. And does come with boba straws. So that's very nice of them, so you don't have to go buy more straws for your boba. Here's an up close of the individual packets. So we can see there are no additional tea packets. Everything is here in this little packet. I do feel little tapioca balls in here. Okay, we have our cup, scissor, cut this open. And it goes. Step 2, put into microwave. And 60 seconds. Go. I can smell the tea. It looks like it's splattered a little bit. Step 1, which is microwave, 60 seconds. Next we have put in the milk. Go, and some ice, and your straw. And here it is, 60-second instant boba milk tea. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, so we're gonna give it a try. That took a couple minutes. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, the boba is very chewy. I'm actually really surprised for being a frozen instant boba. Flavor-wise, it's a little sweet, so in the future for the other packs, I probably just add a little more ice, maybe a little more milk. I think can make a little more than this cup. Overall, very satisfied. Do recommend it. So check it out at your local Asian supermarket. You should be able to find it in the frozen section. Alright, let's get back to enjoying my instant boba milk tea.